Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is chickpea snack. First keep the grinder and 1 cup white rice, one cup coconut, half cup sugar, half teaspoon salt and water. Grind well and then it grind well. Pour to a bowl. It should become this consistency. Half kg crop chickpea and mix it. Then on the flame and keep the pan. And vegetable oil. After the oil heated, put chickpea. By using your hand, do like this. You should use your hand. Fry for 2 minutes and turn it. After 2 minutes, take it. Chickpea snacks is ready. Wow, it looks delicious and yummy. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching guys.